it could make or break your PR application. Number 1, sino-sino? Yung mga nasa express entry pool, yun yung mga maapektuhan. Plus, the future candidates or yung mga magsasubmit pa lang sa express entry pool. Ano ang changes? Wala nang extra CRS points for manager role and skilled jobs na may valid job offer.
Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Kuya Damon, what are you going to say?
Hi DJ, Action 5.
Alright. So, after a few months, ang Calgary ay umuulan. Hindi ko nga natatandaan na kung kailan yung last na umulan ng Calgary. And that is by the way, Lian's new school. Ayan siya, and yan yung school ni Kuya Davon. I just told Kuya Davon, let's say hi first and good morning to our Alba fam bam. So ayun, ihahatid ko na si Kuya Davon. And it's raining, so kailangan namin tumakbo. Hindi naman malakas, pero kailangan pa rin namin tumakbo. Right, Kuya? Okay, and samahan niyo ulit kami in our adventure for today. Let's see you later, fam. Catch you. Yan, nahatid na natin si Kuya Davon. Oh, it's raining in Calgary. Papunta na tayo ng McDonald's muna. Kuha muna tayo ng kape. Kasi hindi pa kami nakakabili ng bagong coffee maker. Mamaya kailangan bumili ng coffee maker talaga. Kasi yung gastos pag McDonald's everyday, hindi pwede. So yun na yung sasakay natin. Yung tawid, yung school ni Lianica na bago. And that's all. So see you later. McDonald's again. Another day in McDonald's. Hopefully last day na. Wala tayong kape eh. Kailangan talaga ng coffee every morning. Let's go to the counter kasi walang triple dito. So I'm here and let's order. Alright, so I'll just wait for it. Thank you. Okay, done. Ganda actually ng McDonald's. Cozy. So, antayin lang natin ang coffee and then we're going home natin. So, see you later! And I think I agree kasi hindi ko na matandaan masyado kung kailan last na umulan eh. So, ngayon lang ulit. So, astig talaga tong Canada, hindi umuulan pero nagsusnow. So, sundulan tayo. The same lakad. Yeah, it's gloomy ulit. And then ayun nga, na-highlight ko kanina, sobrang magastos pag nag-McDonald's ako ng McDonald's araw-araw. So baka mamaya pupunta kami ng Walmart kasi si mommy may gustong arte na coffee maker. Gusto niya white. Eh may nakita kami doon last time. So yun yung bibilhin namin. Suggestion ko nga, supposedly dapat Costco kasi madaling i-return pag ganun. Kasi Costco maganda yung return policy nila. Pero yeah, gusto ni mommy ng white eh. So ayun ang bibilhin natin. Syempre, happy wife, happy life. And it doesn't matter to me as long as may kape naman ako, kahit na anong coffee maker yan. So yun pala ang sobrang lawak. By the way, ito ay public school yan. So parang under the Calgary or Alberta government. This one is a Catholic school, which is dun namin in-opt na pumasok si Davon. Kasi syempre, iba pa rin ang Christian school kung may available slot naman, doon talaga namin preferred. Okay, so the same lakad lang, and today recyclable materials na yung kinuha ng basurahan or ng trash truck. So lakad lang tayo. Malamig. Although yeah, nakalimutan ko mag temperature check. It's 3 degrees, pero dahil nga umuulan, mas malamig siya ng konti because of the humidity. So yeah, another small adventure for Alba Fambam today. So catch you later, guys, and tingnan natin kung gaano na naman kaganda ang asawa ko.
Saan ng bonnet?
Okay, lalagyan ko ng bonnet, mami.
Like rain or snow?
Nasaan ka naka-park, love? Yan na, andito na si mommy. Yan, naka-uniform pa.
Kuya,
Pork chop.
Yan, go. You miss daddy, kuya? You miss daddy? Uy, baka madapa. Nagsitakbuhan na agad. Ang bilis ni mommy, ang bilis mo nakarating, love. Okay, hatid na naman natin si kuya sa daycare niya. Pero next week, wala na siyang daycare. Kasi nga, gusto ni mommy na siya na lang ang mag-aalaga para ma-prepare daw namin siya sa elementary niya. So siguro papahirapan to ni mommy sa math and sa science. Then joke lang. Okay, go ahead, kuya. Go!
Daddy, is it
Oh, you need to remove your bag first.
Daddy, is it drizzling?
Yeah, that's dirty. That's mud. And that's my Kuya Davon. You say hi to Alba Fambam. Di ba you said hi this morning? Opo.
Hi, DJI Action 5, Alba Fambam, you
Yan si mommy. And ito naman yung road na binabiyahe namin. Super saglit lang nito, fam. Like wala bang 2 minutes. Ganda mga laned house.
We're almost there.
Laned houses are here.
That close?
And dito naman sa right, yan yung mga mahal na double the garage. Yan ganda Dapat ng backyard nila. But yeah, that's it. And andito na ang aking napakagandang asawa. So we'll check you guys later again kung ano ang lunch natin, love. Yun yung laging malaking tanong eh. Pero anyway, we'll figure that out. Okay. Sakit na. Kasi kakaupo. So, let's check kung ano ang na-prepare ni mommy na ulam. Yan. Excited na ako. Oh no! Walang ulam! Naglabas pala si mommy ng bacon. Yan. So, ito yung ulam siguro namin. Siguro ipa-fry lang namin. And then, yung ulam namin yesterday ay sinigang. So, yup. Initin lang natin. And that should be good enough. Kami lang naman dalawa. Wala naman yung mga kids. So, usually talaga for the kids, lagi talaga kaming nagluluto ng bago. So, ayain ko na si maming kumain at gutom na ako. So, more or less, it's lunch break. Pero baka pumunta din kami ng Walmart kasi kailangan ko nang bilhin yung coffee maker. I can't go to McDonald's every day. That's gonna be too expensive. Around $184 din ang isa. So, might as well buy the coffee maker and save a couple bucks every day. Hi, fam! And nagising na din si mommy. Kakatapos lang actually namin kumain. Nagre-reklamo na akong wala akong kape kay mommy. So, kailangan namin talagang pumunta ng Walmart para bilhin yung gusto niyang Drew Barrymore ata yun, love eh, or something. Beautiful, yeah. Beautiful brand na coffee maker which is white. Kasi gusto niya dahan-dahan lahat ng mga appliance daw ay white para aesthetically beautiful. So, ayun. Let's go to our courtyard check for today. Yan, gloomy, maulan. It's actually 7 degrees. Yes, it's the first ulan. Tinanong ko nga yung isang parent doon kung kailan niya last na na-remember na umulan. Last year pa daw, fall or summer. Yeah. Yan. So, it's very, very cloudy and umuulan-ulan. Pero masarap pa rin. Hindi siya masyadong malamig. 7 degrees eh. Pwede nang mag-shorts. Joke lang. Yung iba lang yun. Yung mga Canadians lang. Yung mga true Canadians lang ang kayang mag-shorts. So, right? So, see you later. Babalik na ako sa office. Madami pang gagawin. And si mommy naman, madaming household chores na gagawin. For sure. Yan, nagliligpit na ng dishwasher namin. See you later. Pagsusundo na kami sa mga...
Hi fam! And ayun, welcome back again to our sofa serye. So nag-decide akong mag-sofa serye today even though 2 days late na ako sa breaking news na ito, and it's actually big deal. It's super big deal for candidates or for newcomers that wants to go to Canada. Dito, it's actually a few hours before ko sunduin sina Davon and si Lianica. Ang lamig. Naka-jacket pa rin ako sa baba and tumayo ako to grab some instant coffee. No choice. Ganun talaga. So anyway, let's go to the topic. So the topic for today, and I'm actually late as I've said, kasi 2 days ago, March 25th, in-implement ng IRCC ang removal of additional CRS points if you have a valid job offer. Sobrang big deal nito for candidates that are already in the express entry pool. So, we'll try to explain 3 things here. Sino-sino ang maapektuhan? Ano ang mga changes na to? And bakit ginagawa to ng Canada? So, sino? Sino ang maapektuhan sa removal ng CRS points na ito? And again, if you have a valid job offer, this is a big deal. Kasi dati, pag may express or pag nasa express entry pool ka and meron kang valid job offer, if your job description is of a management role, you're going to get 200 extra CRS points or Comprehensive Ranking System points. In addition, kung ikaw naman ay skilled worker and you have a valid job offer, additional 50 CRS points yun. So, mag-translate yun, and actually, it's a big deal. So, even with that 50 points, for example, ang maximum na express entry CRS points mo before the valid job offer is 450. More or less, wala ka ng pagkukuhanan. Kunyari, ang bunutan na points, that's how I call it, kung nagbubunot ang IRCC ng nasa 500 and ang maximum mo ay 450, meron ka na lang a couple of options para madagdagan pa ang 450 points mo. So for example, Canadian experience, so patagal ng patagal, pataas ng pataas yung points mo, pero hindi din masyado. Contrary to that, syempre, pag tumatanda ka, yung age mo naman ay bumabawas. So, ina-explain ko lang na even with the 50 additional points, ay sobrang big deal nito. At it could make or break your PR application para mabunot ka sa express entry. So, sino-sino ngayon ang maaapektuhan ng removal of this CRS or additional CRS points? Number 1, sino? Yung mga nasa express entry pool na or yung mga nakapag-submit na sa express entry pool at nag-aantay na lang ng cut-off kung aabot yung points nila. Yun yung isa sa maapektuhan. And of course, naturally, yung mga magsasubmit pa lang or yung future express entry pool candidates. So, 2 categories ang maapektuhan nito. Ano naman ang mga changes? So, what I've said in summary, ang mga changes ay matatanggal ang 200 extra points even if you have a valid job offer on managerial roles or NOC 0, and then 50 points ang matatanggal naman or hindi na i-consider as additional points for skilled jobs. So bakit ginagawa to ng Canada ngayon? If you remember, there were news previously, I think last year to, na ang nangyayari, na-abuse nila yung system. So may mga bad actors na ang ginagawa ay, for example, meron candidate. Kunin natin yung example ko earlier. Meron candidate na 450 points. Okay, ngayon pwede siyang kumausap ng isang employer dito sa Canada na kunyari magbibigay ng valid job offer. Kunyari, far relative, kaibigan ng relative, or siguro may mga kakilala sila dito sa Canada na pwedeng mag-issue ng valid job offer. Pwede nilang ilagay yon sa express entry. And for example, yung cut-off ay 500, mabubunot sila. So there is a chance na pwede nilang laruin, or this is called gaming the system, wherein pumapangit and nadadaya ngayon or namamanipulate ang sistema. So imagine for the ones that are manager or management roles, 200 points yun. So I couldn't imagine na ang isang manager, valid manager from another country ay magkakaroon lang ng 300 points. Kasi usually, maganda yung CV mo, maganda yung job description mo. Since management ka sa ibang bansa, your English should be okay as well. And yung university mo, so it's either bachelor's ka ba, or doctorate ka ba, or may master's ka ba. So depended dun sa mga combination of your qualifications. Pag yun kasi ay magaganda, it's gonna be over 300. So I'm stating yung 300 kasi nasa mababang level to. And again, 200 points ang madadagdag for management. So if inad mo yung 300 and 200 points, 500, which is based on our example kanina, mapipili siya as PR. Ngayon, ay na-explain niya ng Canada na some of the candidates actually should be more qualified, or they're looking for more qualified folks that should be coming to Canada, and then yun yung ipipr nila. So there are two things. Again, it's gaming the system, as well as they really wanted to pursue or give PRs to candidates that have really good intentions, that have good qualifications, and very adaptable dito sa Canada. So adaptability, there are a couple of factors there: your English ability, your roles or job description, and others. So again, to summarize our discussion, number 1, sino-sino? Yung mga nasa express entry pool, yun yung mga maapektuhan, plus the future candidates or yung mga magsasubmit pa lang. Ano ang changes? Wala nang extra CRS points for manager role and skilled jobs na may valid job offer. Bakit ginagawa to ng Canada? 2 points that I could remember based on the article. It's to prevent bad actors from gaming the system. Number 2, Canada just wants to pursue more qualified, valid. The intent, the qualifications are superb. So even though this is late, but it's breaking news for me, and still I wanted to share to all our subscribers and viewers. So thanks again for watching. Susundo na maya-maya. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Alba Fambam YouTube channel. Oh, and also don't forget to also like and follow our page, our Facebook page, the same handle name, Alba Fambam. You'll see more of Donna's reels there, family activities, more on araw-araw. Okay? So, God bless everyone. Maayong gabi, maayong udto, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan diri sa Canada o sa Pilipinas. Have a blessed day and hang loose!